So this is, let's see, what's the full name? U.S. Army Rifle Model 1917 caliber 30. This is American Enfield, Enfield 1917, P17. A lot of names. All right. Doubling up ear protection is indoors. Oh God, it's here. And aim low, Dad, because it's got a high sight setting.
Whoa!
Did I not tell you?
I wasn't even like standing behind here.
The air was like.
Just watch. You feel the vibration?
They're gonna kick me really bad. No, not really.
This isn't a joke gun. Watch the him though.
I know. Oh, do you see the barrel?
Yeah. Oh, that's all the expanded gases. How is it, Dad, recoil-wise?
Not too bad.
But you feel it?
You feel it.
Yeah.
I like the sight.
The peep.
Little peep.
Yeah. It's like a peep sort of ghost ring thing. It's a little big for a peep.
It's got a two-stage trigger.
Why is Mom calling me?
Wait, now say it again.
Enfield 1917. I'm going to channel the spirit of York. Shoot some bullet-headed trouts.
What, Daniel?
Shoot some bullet-headed trouts.
Oh.
That jumps. And ejects. You're not looking, Caitlin?
I did it
I'm
slowly.
over here looking.
This thing will throw casings like a MLB player.
That's why
so.
I pulled it back slowly so it didn't throw it.
All right, now I have a better idea of what it feels like.
I didn't jump, the wall did.
If you don't get it on your shoulder, it does hurt.
It's going to hurt you.
Like this
if
is
you're not.
the most powerful milsurp we have, so other than maybe the Stuzen.
Stutson.
Yeah, Stutzen. You see that thing kicked us out? Alvin York didn't use hearing protection.
The box is gonna fall.
What? Yeah. Ah! Hit my elbow on this. This is a messy video.
How is it, Nubby?
Every time I shoot, the back of my ear right here hurts. But watch this case come out. Watch. Lost
Oh,
one.
now we lost one. I guess it doesn't matter, does
Yeah.
it?
You ready, Caitlin? Close. So push. Nope. Pull. Stop. You do this with every cock on close gun. Forward and down. There's a spring at the end. You did it the Arstock.
Now make sure you get that on your shoulder.
Yeah.
Right, okay?
No bicep. And wait before this falls and breaks.
Oh god, this is gonna suck.
You got it, baby.
I'm not happy about this.
Get it tight on your shoulder. Don't be
You fired
loose.
worse. The bench moved back. What do you think?
I over expected.
Yeah, better or worse than you expected?
It's better than I expected.
The whole room shakes.
You imagine hitting somebody with one of those.
Especially on those soft points.
And no hearing?
Yeah, it's a whole platoon without hearing, you know?
You'd be deaf by the time you came back from a war. That was muzzle blast.
Yeah. Even with a 26-inch barrel. We'll film the rest on Caitlin's phone so my mic doesn't die.
Is that it?
What do you think? Compared to other mill syrups you fired.
It's heavy, but the
Experience
kick's not
level?
nearly as bad as I
It's
expected.
over 9,000.